Hello and welcome to Shom Tips. Today in this video I am going to give you the review and unboxing of 550 watt Decker 13mm variable speed hammer drill machine. If you want to buy this drill machine, I have given the link in the description to buy it. So let's quickly remove the packet and unbox it.
Subscribe to Som Tips and hit the bell icon and get notification of new videos from Som Tips.
So here it is. This is a 550 watt hammer drill machine, and there is also a reversible function is available there. So here you can see you can also do for the masonry drilling. There is also hammer function. It will continue drilling without any pressing the button, and there is also reversible brush system is available. So here in the see there is the power is 550 watt. The chunk capacity is 13mm, and the beats per minute is 47,600 and 2800 per minute is the no load speed. And here you can see 20mm for wood, 30mm for steel, and the masonry cable capacity is 30mm and length is about 2 meter. So here you can see already 4 masonry drill bit set given free with this box. So and this price is there 4295, but I have bought this product from Amazon at 1599 rupees, and I have given also the link in the description. You can also buy it from there. So now there is I'm going to open it, but before opening to that, I have also bought this Bhandari drill bit set of 18 piece. I have also given the link in the description to buy it, and the price is about 216. And here you can see 5 piece masonry drill bit, and others are for wood and plastic. So it is very good for drill bit, masonry drill bit. You can buy it at cheap price from Amazon. So here I am going, before opening that, you have to keep in mind that this seal have not to be broken. If the seal is broken, don't accept this product, just return it. And after opening that, here you can see the quick start guide and the manual guide also given there. How can you insert these chunks and the drill bit set. I'm going to give you the demonstration. So here is the service center address also given there, and this is the warranty card, and there is 6 month warranty given from the manufacturer. So in the box there is a holder given. In the holder working I will show you later. And apart from that, there is a 2 meter cable and the scale also given there, and the power cord is also of 2 meter, but the power cord does not have any earthing. And there is also the 4 piece machinery will be set, and this is a very good quality machinery will be set for your drilling, also given inside this packet. And here it is the drill, and there is also the front panel also covered with plastic because there is oil also been given, so it's very good. And the top there is a speed control button, mid, low, medium, high. In the right side there is the serial number also the given there, and the model number. And there is nothing. And this is the hammer button, and hammering option is available there, and there is a button also there is the forward and reverse, and this is the adapter cord. So I am now going to show you how you can set up this drill machine. And here you can this drill, you can see this is the power. You have to insert this cord into the switchboard, and this is the chunk, and this is chunk. You can use it to make it wider or narrower your drilling bit. And the size of this is the scale, and this is the holder. I am going to show you how you can insert the holder into the drill. And remember one thing, the hole or the scale will be the left side, so this left side will be the scale in the drill, and this way this hole will be in the left side. Here you can see. This is the forward reverse button. scale you can insert it there, but I'm not going to use the scale, so I'm not removing the scale. And after inserting the drill bit, you have to use this chunk to tight it, and do it tight as many as possible, because if it is loose your drill bit, you will not be able to drill and maybe any accident happens. So always tight it. So I'm now going to drill, and after switching body tab there, after inserting the switch, here I am now going to drill it. If you want to buy this drill machine, I have given the link in the description. Buy it from there. This will help our channel. And if you have found this video helpful, like this video, share this video, and comment if you have any query. And don't forget to subscribe please to get more videos like this in near future. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video very soon.